Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 24. It's Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve, everyone. Yay! It's a busy morning this morning. Lots of things are happening. We're getting all of our Christmas Day and Boxing Day plans sorted, washing's on, the vlog's loading. I've just spent the morning editing it and I'm about to get started in my baking. I'm going to do my Rocky Road Christmas tree first, and then later on this afternoon I will do my gingerbread. So yay for Christmas baking, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to prep all my stuff first, and then we'll get making. We'll get on making. So happy days. Yay! I've been wanting to wear this all month since I bought it. Yeah! So we're on our way with our Christmas baking. I've just started doing my Rocky Road. I made my little mold out of cardboard and I got baking paper on the inside, and I popped that in a vase so it has something to set in. I've just cut up my Turkish Delight. Now we're going to do marshmallows, and while I'm doing that I have the chocolate melting on the stove. So this is 4 blocks of Cadbury chocolate, dark chocolate, and the marshmallows and the Turkish Delight will just make it a little bit more sweeter. It won't be as bitter as dark chocolate usually is. So let's crack on and get this done. And plus, look at my apron, I love it so much. Happy days. So it's a little bit later on in the afternoon and I've just woken up from a nap. I fell asleep watching some TV, just having a bit of a break, and I fell asleep. Not for very long, no, maybe for like 10 minutes or so. But I finished making my gingerbread. I've done my Rocky Road tree, it's in the fridge. It is chilling, and I'll do that tomorrow. But gingerbread are done. Happy days. There they all are, and there's a Harry Potter one in there somewhere, I think. Where is he? There he is. There we go, we'll get him out. Don't upset everything. You're a gingerbread, Harry. Anyway, pop that in there. So later on tonight, I think we're going to wrap some presents, Harry and I. That's like the last thing that I need to do. I do need to make 2 more fabric bonbons, both for my brothers, because I haven't made them yet. I don't know when I'll do that. I don't really feel like doing it at the moment. I've lost all my energy. Now that I've sort of stopped, I've stopped. It's been a really busy week, but yeah, I'm so happy that my gingerbread are done. Yay. So I've just finished making my last 2 bonbons for the year, and I made them both for my brothers. These are the ones that I made. So this one here is made from Batman fabric, I can't really tell. This one here is for my older brother Kevin, and then I made this one for Graham. This one's out of Star Wars fabric because he loves Star Wars. So they're done. I'm going to fill them with some chocolate coins that I got, and then pop them with their presents that I will now start to wrap, I think. The Christmas carols on TV, the Christmas carols from the Maya Music Bowl in Melbourne, which is a big thing that I always watch on Christmas Eve, starts in another 40 minutes. Starts at 8 o'clock, so I think I might just get myself set up and ready to go, and I'm also going to help Graham wrap his presents, and yeah, just enjoy a lovely Christmas Eve watching the carols and wrapping presents. Happy days! Just turn the TV down a little bit. I am currently watching Home Alone Lost in New York while I wait for the carols to come on. I've brought out all of my presents here. We've got all the wrapping paper, everything I need, sticky tape, scissors. Oh, I'm not holding them very well. So yeah, I think I'm good to go. Oh, I don't have a pen. I need to write on cards. I don't have a pen. Okay, so I'm going to have to get that. And I'm just going to start wrapping because there's a lot here to do. And I don't want to be doing it, you know, right until midnight. So we're just going to get started. So it's come to the end of the night and I've completed everything I want to do on my list, pretty much. I've made all my things, I've wrapped all my presents, I think I'm ready for Christmas. But the last thing that we need to do is we need to open door 24 on our advent calendar, the very, very last one. And I really cannot predict who it will be, what it will be. I feel like we've kind of got everyone except for Sirius Black. We don't have Sirius Black, who is a very big character in the story. So anyway, let's see who it is. Okay, let's have a look. Who is it? Oh, it's another Harry. Our last little pocket pop is Harry himself. And he's got his little H jumper that he gets from Mrs. Weasley every Christmas. Ah, that's lovely. There we go. That's where I've put him. I've actually just put him in front of the door 24 because there really is nowhere else to put him. Yay! That's so cool. That's all of them in the calendar out. And then, of course, we can't forget the people on the top shelf. So I'm going to say goodnight and wish you a very Merry Christmas for today, because I know that you will be watching this vlog on Christmas Day. I'm thinking I possibly will continue vlogging into next week and into New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, I think. But I do wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I want to thank you all so much for watching during Vlogmas and for all of your lovely comments and just lovely support in me doing this every day. It really has made doing it a lot easier, and yeah, just giving me lots more confidence in vlogging every day and sharing a little bit more of my life with you. So thank you, and I hope you all have a very lovely and happy Christmas with family and friends, and yeah, just really enjoy the day. So thank you for watching today, and I will see you again over the next couple of days. Bye!